Hi guys, another day, another harness from Project K9 Philippines. So ito nga pala yung half body harness natin. Small. This is for Luna, the Pomeranian. So ito yung black with red strap natin. Small yan. And then ito yung pre-leash natin. So yan, snap hook. And then, ang version nito ng large ay ito. Yan. So, makita nyo yung difference, guys. Yan. Ito yung small. Ito yung large. Ito naman, good for large breed. This is for golden retriever. Dito sa small, personalize yung logo, ang request ni customer. Kaya, yung mukha ng aso nila yung nilagay natin. Dito naman, ito yung standard logo natin for golden retriever. So, ito nga pala yung large niya. Black with red strap. And then, this is for Gucci. Embroidery na yung gamit natin dyan. This is detachable. Ayan, natatanggal yan. And then, ito yung pre natin na leash. Ayan, ito yung gamit natin na snap hook. Ang ganda yan. And then, ito, 5mm yung yung kapal ng D-ring natin. And then, metal na yung mga squaring na gamit natin dyan. And then, ang kapal nito, 8 to 10mm. Ayan, yung pinakang likod niya, guys. Yan. So, and then adjustable sa shoulder, and then sa gear part, adjustable YKK yung gamit natin na adjuster dyan. So, dito din, YKK din yan. So, yun lang. Ito yung version ng black, red strap. And then, yung iba for shipping. Yung mga for shipping natin, naka-ready na guys. Nakabalot na. And then, ito yung mga other color available. PM lang. Thank you.